How to integrate delivery in WooCommerce. Here's are the simple steps for this process. Install the order delivery for WooCommerce plugin to add delivery date and time selection to your checkout. The plugin works seamlessly with various WooCommerce extensions, enhancing functionality without extra setup. If using WooCommerce subscriptions, the plugin supports delivery scheduling for subscription orders. With Local Pickup Plus, the plugin disables its features when local pickup is chosen for simplicity. Use travel rate shipping to set delivery ranges based on criteria like locations or weight. Integrate with WooCommerce print invoice and packaging list to include delivery details in printed documents. The Shipping Multiple Addresses plugin will hide delivery details, focusing on a single delivery address. For automated delivery management, install the WooCommerce REST API for Smart Routes integration. In Smart Routes, enter your WooCommerce store name, consumer key, and consumer secret. Optionally, add custom fields for shipping method to customize your delivery process further. By following these steps, you can effectively integrate delivery options into your WooCommerce store. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.